Do you want to know how you can check the history on QuillBot? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your history on QuillBot. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your page. Then what you need to do is go to QuillBot.com. And you can see you have logged into your account, so go ahead and click on any of these. After you click it, on the right hand side you can see history, but to access history you must have updated to the premium version of history. So you have clicked on history, which is over here. You can see the history shown over here. You can delete it or you can go to it and change it anytime you want. But you must have the premium version of QuillBot to do so. So make sure that you have subscribed to QuillBot's premium. In order for you to access the history, it is a must. So if you want to delete, check or re-enter your history, you can purchase the upgraded version of QuillBot. I hope this video about how you can check the history on QuillBot was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.